What is Honeygain? Honeygain is a company that will use your idle internet connection for their network and pays you for your idle internet connection. This is a great concept that works on any Windows device, Mac device, and all smartphones and tablets. This is an international company, and no matter where you live, the company will pay you for using your idle internet connection. It is possible to connect 5 devices at once to your internet connection. The company recommends that you use 1 device per IP address to receive the best revenue possible. The company can use up to 2 GB per day. Depending on your internet speed, it is possible to reach a maximum of 15 GB per day. The amount of usage each day will depend on your internet plan and your line speed. The company will never use more than 10% of your available network bandwidth at a time. Therefore, the app can run in the background while you earn money sharing your network bandwidth with the company. Is it safe? As I have been using it for almost 2 months, I didn't notice any suspicious activity. This topic goes close together with the fact that Honeygain is being direct and they don't hide the process of how income is being generated. The company doesn't keep any of your personal data on their servers, so all your data is secured and kept private. Moreover, it is possible to turn off the data sharing on any device at any time. How much can you earn? 1. Your earnings are calculated by the number of devices the app is installed on and how much unused data you have available. 2. The company pays for every KB of data that you share with them. 3. The company uses an online calculator to help you determine your earning based on the number of hours your devices are connected and you share your data. 4. It is possible to earn up to $50 a month for sharing your data. However, you must share the data for 720 hours in a month to earn the $50. This means that you must have the app connected for 24 hours a day. 5. The app runs in the background, so it is easy to accumulate money each day your computer is connected to a network. How does it work? 1. Visit the website and download the app for any Android device. 2. You can also download the Windows app from the website. 3. It is now possible to download the app for any Mac OS or download the APK app for Android devices. 4. Once the app has been downloaded and installed on your device, you'll need to create an account. 5. The company needs your email address, password, IP address, and your payment method. 6. When you first sign up with the company, you'll receive a $5 bonus for creating a new account. 7. Once the app has been installed on your computer or mobile device, it is time to configure the app. Here you will decide on how much of your data plan the company can use per day. 8. The app will never use more than 10% of your available data plan at any given time. This means the app runs in the background, so you won't see a major decline in your internet connection speed. 9. You are paid for each KB of data the company uses from your data plan. 10. If you are busy and need your full data plan, it is possible to turn off the app and not share your data plan. 11. You have the option to leave your computer running 24/7 and share your data plan with the company. How are you paid? 1. You earn credits in your account for sharing your data. 2. Every 10 credits in your account equal 1 cent. 3. You need to earn $20 in your account before you can request payment. 4. The company only pays by PayPal. 5. It will take 24 hours to process your payment and receive the money in your PayPal account. Conclusion: Honeygain is a legitimate company and will pay you for sharing your data. The app is an international app that works on all Windows devices, Mac iOS, and Android devices. You will need to install the app and register with the company. When you signup to share your data, the company gives you a $5 signup bonus. There is a referral program that helps you earn an extra 10% of your referral's earnings. This helps to reach your payout goal faster. The app works great on your computer, but if you install this on a smartphone, it can eat up the battery life on your device. I would not recommend using this app if you are on a limited data plan each month. This can end up costing you money instead of making money. Other than this, the app is great, and it can earn you up to $50 a month just for sharing your data. Thank you for watching the video. Look at the description box to find links that will benefit you. Do not forget to like and subscribe